This is the start of a multiple day weather event, so we're not through this yet.
Thank you again to our firefighters who continue to do amazing work. We know that folks who are battling the Thomas Fire with over 31,000 acres burned, 27,000 people who've been forced to evacuate, and we do have a strike team from LAFD on site there. It's a very difficult moment, but we will get through this. We proved this just over a month ago. We are a resilient city, we are a strong city, we are a capable city.
To re-emphasize right now, we are facing critical fire behavior in ways that people may not have experienced in the past. This is the 5th year of an ongoing drought. I know that we had some rain this year, but just enough grass crop to have flashy fuels. We have erratic wind behavior. From our department alone right now, on this incident of the Creek Fire, we have over 60 fire engines, over 400 personnel, helicopters flying to assist.